are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Okay, just in case you're thinking that I forgot what I had to share on the very first day of my 45 days video series, then I'm so sorry, you're slightly mistaken. What I tried right now was just a sample of what most of us tend to do in most of the cases while we are conversing with someone for the first time. And absolutely that's the reason I think it is pertinent for me to mention and address this issue on the very first day of my 45 days series. So, Jai Hind everyone and welcome to day 1. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Definitely, you would like to tell your name to the other person and you would absolutely love to know the name of the other person. I'm sure that the next thing you would love to do would be to know that how the other person is feeling. Obviously, there are different ways in English language in which you can do the same thing. But most of us end up asking the same standard question, "Hi, how are you?" In this video, I am going to tell 3 different ways in which you can get rid of this boring way of asking how people are doing and upgrade to something new and better. Instead of asking the same boring question that "Hi, how are you?" consider asking "Hi, how are you doing?" Definitely you would come up with better answers. But just a second. In case you come across the same question, then what would you answer? Obviously, there are various ways of answering the same question. What I have seen is most of the people answer by saying, "I am doing good." I'm afraid to say, but this is wrong. When you say to people that you're doing good, what it means is you're doing good things or good deeds for the people around you. That doesn't mean that you're perfectly fine and in a mood to have a conversation with the other person. So, make sure that you do not answer "I am doing good." Instead, try to answer "I am well" or simply think of something else. That brings me to my second way of asking the same question. As we all are in this tech-savvy world, sometimes it's important to sound cool as well as confident. And the best way to have a combination of both of them while addressing someone for the first time is by asking them, "Hi, what's up?" This is something that most of the youngsters are into the habit of using. And I feel that this is absolutely amazing as well. Now, let me talk about way 3 of substituting the same boring way of saying, "Hi, how are you?" In case you are literally tired of asking the same question to people, then you might just love to ask people, "Hi, what's new?" or "Hi, is there anything new in your life?" You would definitely get so many amazing answers for this question as well. So, just in case you liked this video, definitely try to add it and upgrade your way of conversing with people. Before I end up the video, I would love to add one amazing word to your vocabulary as well. The word is perseverance. It means doing regular efforts or making regular efforts to do something which is impossible or difficult to be done. Frankly speaking, I came across this word a few years ago while I was watching the interview of one of the IAS exam topper. What really surprised me was, later on I also came across the same word in the book of grade 4. Just imagine if a child of class 4 can learn how to use the word perseverance and make sentences with the same word, then I'm sure that you would be able to do so much more with the same. I think you would have definitely liked this video. In case you did, please make sure that you would really try your best to upgrade your vocabulary and try these new ways of asking how they are. And don't forget the word of the day. It is perseverance. What it means is doing something regularly and consistently. I'll see you once again tomorrow. Until then, stay home, stay safe and stay calm. Bye-bye.